memorence is a company working on digitizing and automate manual operations with AI to improve the efficiency of enterprise operations.
Okay, and let's move to the
Memory Suite is a system to digitize and automate manual operations with AI. Manual operation is very common in enterprises, including quality inspections, regular examinations, information recording. Today, issues of manual operations still exist, such as inconsistent quality, human errors, non-transferable knowledge, and no traceability, and all lead to the financial losses. And now, AI can help. However, when an enterprise wants to use AI for the first time, they will face some issues, such as lack knowledge about optimal data acquisition. Common AI solutions lack industry optimal AI models, and there's no standard. And enterprise also concerns how to keep data and AI confidential, how to integrate AI without efficiency loss. And for small and medium enterprises, they have no AI engineers. How to start using AI? Memory Suite and one-stop AI solutions is to solve all of these issues. It has optimal sensor for digitizations, learnable AI models, no-code systems, APIs, locally deployable to keep data confidentiality, and it supports various platforms. And in the center is our software. It has data management, data labeling, AI model learning, deployment functionalities. It can be coupled with different data acquisition devices, and then the learned AI models can deploy it on different platforms depending on the applications. It is ideal for enterprise with high percentage manual operations or inspections, or for enterprise with automated inspection solutions but accuracy is not that good enough, and for the mobile and edge inspection applications. Currently, our customers are mainly from manufacturing, and medical, and healthcare. We have one patent granted and some are filed. We have more than 20 industry-specific AI and are still growing. And we are now official partner with SAP. And let me show you some real cases. The first one is to use AI to improve manual inspections. Before using AI, this company used human inspectors, and human has about 3 to 4% defect missing rate. After using our AI, it reduced the missing rate to less than 0.1% and reduced inspection time by 90%. The second one is to use AI as secondary inspection. Before using AI, this company has deployed automatic optical inspection solution. However, it has a very high false alarm rate, ranging from 50 to 90%. After using our AI, it helped reduce false alarm rate by 95% and improve the efficiency significantly. The third one is mobile AI for the auto metal inspection. It helps to reduce the misjudgment rate of human by 27%. And the next one is edge AI computing. Before using AI, this company used engineers to set up parameters for the different production batch, and it takes days. And after using AI, with only a few hours learning and with only 200 images, the AI achieves deployable accuracy. And our system is also tested by the Corning Display Technology Taiwan, and they are satisfied with our AI performance, so their vice presidents also share a testimonial with us. And to sum up, the benefit includes digital transformation, AI-based automation, quality improvement, cost reduction, and end customer satisfaction. There are many solutions for engineers, and there are also many solutions dealing with only AI models. However, most enterprises have no AI engineers. They even have no digital data. So Memories AI is one company deal with data acquisition and AI jointly. And we charge device fee, installation fee, and service fee from our customers. And the market is growing quickly, and the estimated market size will be $100 million in Taiwan and more than $2 billion globally. And our vision is to make AI software as daily productivity tool for enterprise to help them to enable digitalization, traceability, improve quality and efficiency, ensure operational safety, uncover insights, and keep data confidentiality. And we are a startup composed of experienced experts from different fields, including AI, camera systems, edge computing, agri, and business. And we are looking for customers and customer referrals. And we are also seeking local partners in Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, US, and Europe. Looking forward to working with you soon.
Thank you. Anyone else? Questions? No?
Yes. Hi. So I have a question. You mentioned that your platform memorance, it's no code, right? It's basically GUI based. But I also understand from your presentation that it is primarily a cognitive vision type of analytic solution, right? Computer vision, if I'm not wrong. So how do you do the training for the different types of use cases? Because the two cases you show are PCB, but if I have to do analytics of something else like a manufactured product defects, how do you train it?
Okay, basically we will design the different AI models for different segments. And if your application is with the AI model we provided, users can use our system to label the data for the first, and then they can use the software to build the AI models themselves, and then do some runs, and the performance will become better and better. And then if the performance is pretty good, they can deploy using our system directly. So user use the AI models provided for that applications to build AI models.
So the question from one of the participants is that the user has to do the labels, right?
Yes, because we cannot hire many experts from different fields, and so instead we provide the platform for users to do themselves because they know the knowledge of their applications. People like us who are not expert for that applications, so we don't know much about that. So they use that, they know how to keep it on their side.
Yeah, and we will be responsible for the data sources, right? So if we set up the cameras, when we capture the feeds, it can to your platform.
Yeah, you're right. But it can be separated into two types. First, if this customer or this user has no any data acquisition devices or camera systems, we will help them to build up, because building the data is the first step before using the AI. So building the good data sources and optimal data for your application is a very important step. If you have good data, your AI will be much simpler. And if the customer already have some data acquisition devices and the data is pretty good for the AI, and we will help them check that, and they can start using the software directly.
Got it. Okay.
And others? No questions? Ludovic? No? Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, yeah, we move to the last startup. It's Nadi Systems.